Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you along for my Ikea trip. Now, I have not been to Ikea ever since I filmed my office furniture video, which if you haven't checked that out, I'll link it down below, but it's been quite some time. So I tried filming things that were new, or at least new to me, that I haven't seen there. Some stuff are original or staples to Ikea, so I decided to include those as well. So before I jump into this video, I'm going to briefly show you a couple things that I picked up that I did not show in the video. So the first thing I picked up was these faux eucalyptus leaves, and let me tell you, I have not found something more real than this. I love the way they look, the way they feel. They just look so realistic, and they look great in any vase that you put them in. The second thing I got was a little set of tools for my son. My son does not like to play with any tools that look like a toy, so these look so realistic and they just look so cute. My son has been having a blast with them. And the last thing I got were some storage bins. I actually needed another row of storage bins for my office bookshelf, and I did not want to pay the Target price for them, which are $11.99. So I found these, and they're actually pretty sturdy, and I only paid $4.99 for each of them. So I would have roughly spent around $60 at Target to fill in another row for my bookshelf, but at Ikea I only spent a fraction, $25. I just couldn't beat it. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, and if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire.
upstairs now to get what I came for. Yeah, but this is cute as decoration to put some like fake eucalyptus up here. Very cute. I like this. When people come to my house, they always ask me where I get my wine glasses from, and I get them right here, Ikea, $1.99.
Like that.
To mix the salad?
Yeah.
Super good.
Yeah. I know.
$1.49 cutting boards. That's good. Chop up fruits. I want to chop up chicken in here. $1.99 pillows. I don't know about sleeping in them, but for decoration, yeah, believe it or not, I really like Ikea towels because they have this little hook.
No, yeah.
You can hang them. $3.99. All their towels have little hooks. There's to organize shampoos, but for kids, it's good to organize toys. This one here is so pretty. It looks very coastal. These are outdoor rugs and they're so cute. They're $7.99. These rugs right here are $3.99. I like it because it has fringe at the bottom. These things are for inside the drawer. $6.99 and brings 6. So I got one. These are great for under the bed storage. And this one here is $4.99. These are my same kitchen pendants. Oh my god, I paid $25 for this. Cute. I did not pay $30. Oh, it's nice for summer. I also have on my wine. These right here are super cute because they have a little gold detail to them. They have little chandeliers. Same family room mirror that I have. Pero yo nunca pagué 150. I don't know. I feel like.
Yeah, you did.
Are you sure?
Yeah. No, 99.
I think I paid $99 for it. They've raised the prices on some of these things here. It's a cute little frame for the kitchen. So this is what I came for. These leaves right here. Oh, I've seen these on Instagram all the time. People put this in their bedrooms. I'll tell you how much this one is. These here are $5.99. These look so real, you guys. These are fake succulents. These here are fake too. This is $9.99 for 3 of them. This would actually be good for outdoors. They'll never die. This is really good to sort your clothes. And this to hang clothes, even baby clothes.